How to fix error 3565 on Amazon. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the Amazon error 3565. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to fix the error 3565, what you can do is simply open up the Amazon app. Now I'm here on the browser and the interface is similar as well, so I'll be guiding you through the browser here, but the process is similar on the app as well as the browser. Once you open up, simply log into your account, then tap on the profile icon there, and here you should scroll down and find the option that says your account and tap on see all here. Once you do so, here scroll down and head into the payment section here. So you can see payment section, and you should be able to see the your payment option. Tap on it and you'll be able to see any payment cards that you have added. So if you have added there, simply tap on remove the card and remove that particular card, and then re-add the card and set it as a default payment method. This should fix the issue for you. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.